A very good afternoon, everyone. We will start today's session in next 1 minute. Welcome everyone to the last session of PyCode series. So as you all know that we have successfully completed 19 PyCode sessions and today is the 20th and last session. So Jayesh sir, are we ready with the last session today?
Yes, ma'am. Definitely very excited for the last session.
Let's get on with the session. All the best.
Thank you so much. Okay, so hello all of you. Good afternoon, everyone. So let's start our last session. Okay, this is like a last session, but for you, it's you need to continue this kind of thing which we have done. Okay, we have started with the basic Python, then we go to graphic design, then we have learned ML, machine learning. Then now we are in the AI part. Okay, so whatever we have discussed, we will not like this key. This is the last session. We will left it over here. Okay, you need to continue your journey of this amazing journey of a Python or your basically AI journey. So let me start our session with the same tone. I will ask you a simple question and then we will do the different things. Okay, so all of you, I hope you can see my screen. So today I have a very interesting question for you all. That is, what can travel around the world while staying in the corner? So that is a very simple question for you all. So all the GNVs, anyone who know the answer? Yes, anyone who know the answer? What can travel around the world while staying in a corner? Okay, thinking. I guess you are thinking, right? It's thinking is not the answer, correct? Oh, it's not that much hard. Okay, I got my first answer. Only one know the answer. Yeah, so the correct answer is this one, the stamp. Okay, so thank you so much. And let's just start our session. Okay, and we'll start our session. Now I'm getting some answers. Slippers. Slippers will not stay in the corner. Stamp is the correct answer. Okay. Now let's just go to the AI Connect. So first, as usual, we'll do login, right? You need to enter username and password. We'll go inside. So again, we'll start our session with the things which we have discussed in the previous session and a kind of a revision, which we always do. I give you a small thing and you need to talk about it, right? So today, yes, okay. Okay, for you all, the today's topic is, you need to tell me about this block. This one. What is the use of this block? This block we have seen also, we have done so many activities with the help of this block. Anyone of you know the answer? No one? No one know this block? Create list, what this will do? Okay, we number of items. Okay, good. Anyone else? Yes, all the teachers, students, they can give the answer. Coordinator who are there, please Help your student. They can write the answer in the chat. Okay, let me tell you that. So basically, with the help of list, we can like add different kinds of data types. Okay, we already know what all data types we have. We have int. Okay, we have string. We have boolean. We are having float. Okay, list of item can store. Very good. Correct. Okay. So like in this way, what I will do, let me just store anything. Like I'm storing my name, Jayesh. In the same thing, I'm storing my age, which is, let's just say 24. Okay. And then I will add my height, which is, let's just say 7.2. I'm very tall. Okay. And then I will add we can create a variable. So let's just say my info. Like this, and then we'll put it inside. So I created a list which contained different data types. String, Jayesh is a string, 24 is an int, 7.3 is a float value. Okay. And then what I can do is I can print it like this. So now if I run the code, we'll get the answer this way. And always remember, whenever we are creating a list, whenever we create a list, we use the square bracket for that. So that is why you can see square bracket here. For tuple, we add round bracket. Okay. For set and dictionary, we add curly bracket. Okay. Simple thing, and we already know this. Now let's just go to the main topic that we are going to do today. So all of you write the name of the topic. All of you please create the activity with the name. That is your finger counting. Okay. Finger counting. So as the name suggests, activity is quite simple, okay, but kind of a technical also, because you are going to learn so many things you are going to learn. I will show you one website also, okay, in which you will see how that thing works. So finger counting, first of all, the name of the activity. Activity type is AI real world, okay, and the project name is PyCode. For me, it's PyCode. It depends what name you have given. So then what I will do, I will click on the create button. AI. Done all of you? I hope all of you created the activity name, finger counting. So finger counting is that kind of thing which we have done in our childhood also, or nowadays also we do the same thing whenever we want to do the mathematics. We do like this 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So I just want you to do the same thing today also, okay? Because in this session also you'll do the same thing. We will show the finger. It will tell us, okay, what number you are showing. Like if I show this, it will tell me 3. If I show this, 2. That way we are going to do this. So with this thing here, you can make multiple kind of things, multiple activity you can do with this. Okay. So let me first start it. What you will do, you will go to the AI learning. You will see this option called finger detect, right? The first thing is I will take the block called start detect. Okay. So with the help of this, what I done is, okay, let me just tell you, import finger detect. So I added a library called finger detect, and I'm telling that to start detecting. But now the point is this key, what is it, what this library will do? This library will help you to whenever you will show the finger, it will tell you, okay, 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay, now let me show you with a very simple example. I hope all of you can see this thing. This is a media pipe, okay, a website of media pipe. So just see this in our finger. What I'm going to do is just see, think like this, this finger contain 21 points. Okay, that will start from 0 to 20. So total points will be 21, 0 to 20, correct? And now what you will do, 0, 1, 2, 3, right? This way 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. This way we will cover all the finger and all the points of the finger. Okay. Now the same thing we are using over here in this AI Connect also. Okay, we are using the same concept. So after this, what I will do, start our detection. Then I want it to count my finger. So what I will do, I will tell you, okay, finger count. So now I will go to the output. I will print the output, that is finger detect, right? So now let me tell you what I have done is I start the detection. Okay. And what it will do, it will print the finger count. Whatever finger it will see now, the webcam, whatever webcam will capture, whatever image webcam will capture now, it will tell us, okay, you are showing 2, 3, 4 like this. After that, what I want is I want to end the detect. Okay, so stop detection. Now let me try it. I will run the code. Okay, it is, the output is basically what? 0, correct? Because I'm not showing my finger. So I will do one thing. I will add a loop, and I will add my favorite loop, for loop, put my finger count inside it, and then I will give a time delay. Okay, time delay. So set delay of 1 second, right? Let me try. Okay, I run the code. Okay, for this I need to do one thing. It is not working right now because as my Zoom video is on. So let me just off my Zoom video. Yeah. Now I will try again. See, can you see all the points which I'm getting right now? It's so amazing. Let me try again. I click the run code. Webcam will open. So in the start, it will take time. It will take 2 or 3 seconds to load. But once it will come, you will see a very nice output. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See how accurate it is. So amazing. So all of you, please try this. So I started the detection. I wanted to detect it 10 times. Okay, that is why I have written repeat 10 times. Then printing finger count, whatever output is coming, I want to print it 10 times. So that is why I've written 10 times, and I want a delay of 1 second every time. Okay. So after every output, I will get a delay of 1 second. Now all of you, I'm giving you 2 minutes for this. Please do it. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the chat. So any doubt, any one of you can ask. Okay, let me just repeat what I have done. So start detection, correct? Then I want to do it 10 times. So I've written 10 times. If you want, you can do 20, 30, 40, 50 as per your requirement. You can do that. Okay, you are free. Then print finger count, and then I want a delay of 1 second. It depends on you. If you want, you can give the delay of 2 seconds also, and then we have done the stop detection. The same thing you can see in the code. So finger detect, I already told you that from where we have taken this library. Then there is again a module called time module. Okay. So time module contain a function called sleep, time dot sleep. Okay. So with the help of this only, I'm getting a delay, right? Always I'm getting a delay of, now with this, I'm getting a delay of 2 seconds every time. Okay. So after one output, 2 second delay. After one output, 2 second delay. Again, 2 seconds, 2 seconds. Like this way I'm doing it. Very amazing, right? After doing this much, then I'm closing the finger detect dot close. Done. I've done it. Okay. Now, after doing this, what else we can do? So I already told you this is an amazing like library or amazing thing which we are which we are doing today. So let me show you one more magic. I want to know the position, right? Key, like just say if I show you this media pipe, I want to show my tip position, this 8 position, this 8, 12, 16, this position I want to know. Can I do that? Yes, you can do that. So let's just see that how we can do this. So now instead of uh, printing the finger count, what I want is I want the coordinates, right? So what is coordinate? Coordinate is basically the position, right? So this is the frame which you have, and I want what is the position of my hand. Okay. Whenever I will move my hand, the position is always changing. Okay, this position is always changing. So I want the position of this tip. So let's just do that. I'll put it over here. Now, all of you, one question for you all. I'm showing you this media pipe library. I want to know the position of my tip. Okay. Which point will show you the position of my tip? All of you. Any one of you. I am showing you the diagram. Okay. Now you tell me the position. My tip position. Anyone? Okay. Thank you so much. So I got my first answer. JNB Yanam. Okay. Again, one more. Thank you so much. Reading challenge. Okay. So 8 is the correct answer. And thank you so much for your answer. So I will go to the AI Connect. Okay. And then what I will do, I will just just click over here and I will change it. So as I already told you, we have 21 points. Start from 0 to 20, right? Again, let's just check it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And I am interested in point number 8. Now the question comes is, what you want? X position, Y position or Z position, right? So this is your X position. Okay. This is your Y position. So whenever we are talking about horizontal, right? So that is your X position. Whenever we are talking about vertical, right? This is a Y position. Okay. And Z is this. So three-dimensional we have seen, like we live in three-dimensional figure. Okay. So yeah. Now what I will do, I want X position, X coordinate I want. I will run my code. Again, this will not work. I need to off my video. Yeah. Now I will try. Can you see I'm getting the tip value? I'm moving it. I'm getting it. Very good. Perfect. Getting it. Nice. Now let me tell you the application of this, right? So suppose I want to create a kind of, I have a smart board, right? In which I'm drawing with my hand. The same thing is, the same thing applied over there also. Then over there also, we also find the coordinate like this way. Okay. This AI thing I want to create now, if I want to create a smart, kind of a smart board through in which I can draw with my hand. Suppose I'm sitting in New York, right? I want to give the class in India. So I can do that with the help of that. Okay. Sure. Okay. That's, yeah, I hope this much is clear to everyone. Now, same thing. It's not compulsory to just get the X value, you can get the Y value also. Or can we do one thing? Can we add item? Can we make it in a better way? Just this X position, Y position, maybe this. Okay. This way we can do. Let me run the code now. I'm getting two value right now. Let me show my tip. Okay, this one. Both are X, we change to Y. Yeah, now let me try again. Hmm. So now just see, I'm moving my finger all around the screen and the value is, see, decreased. Now it will increase. Okay, this way you can do. So I hope all of you, I hope you are clear with this. Any doubt you can ask me related to this. Okay, a very good question. What is the application of finger counter? Okay, so suppose, let me just show you a very simple example for this. Okay, I want to create a system in which, let's just say, if I show you like this, okay, if I show you the V sign, then I want to do something that I want to, okay, this is a victory sign, right? So whenever I will show you, just imagine like this, it's a victory, correct? So for this, what I will do, I want these value should be less than this value, right? Okay, let me tell you again. This value, let me come over here. Value of 16 is less than 30. Value of 20 less than 70. Like this way, we will add a condition and then we can recognize like this key whenever I'm showing V. So I just show you finger counting, right? But with the help of coordinates now, by playing with the coordinates, you can do multiple stuff. You can show these sign, you can detect these signs. Okay, these sign, okay, they are showing you different sign, but all the sign work with the help of coordinates only. If the value of this part is equals to this part, if this both are equal, then we are going to do this. So like this way you can do. Okay. And one more, you can do in sign language also you can use. We have a different sign language, and this sign. So again, application is one like that. And that's a very we can say like a very interesting application of it. And all that thing you can do with the help of coordinates. Once you know all the coordinate now, these values from 0 to 20, then you are able to do every stuff. Then you can do multiple stuff with this. Yes, any other doubt? And not only in the finger counting, if you have any other doubt, whatever we have discussed in the previous sessions also now, you are free to ask me right now. So yeah, okay, thank you so much. Yeah. Now we started with the basic Python, okay, in which we have discussed data types, we have discussed loops, okay, then we discussed function, then we discussed list, dictionary, tuple, okay, then we go to graphic design in which we design car, then we come to ML, machine learning, then we come to AI. So I told you all these things which we have discussed. Any doubt you can ask me right now, or else we will wind up the session. Basically this one. Anyone, any doubt? Okay, so thank you so much all of you. So let's end the session.
Yeah. Am I audible and visible? This is Gopal.
Yes, you're audible.
Okay, okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. Is this Jesse from
Sir, this is from JNV Una.
Una? Oh, great, great.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. This is from which school? This is which JNV? JNV?
JNV Ujjain, I think, sir.
Jain?
JNV Ujjain 1.
Oh, great.
Sir, JNV Ujjain 1.
Ujjain 1. Very good, very good. How many of you are there? Not audible? I am not audible to you?
We can hear you, sir.
Yeah, Ujjain, the leader.
I think they're muted.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome everyone. Today, we are gathered here today to appreciate and to acknowledge all the teachers and students who have made immense efforts in PyCode Session. As we all know, we had started PyCode Session journey from March till December, and today we have just concluded the series. PyCode series is one of a kind initiative by Vigyan Jyoti to introduce crucial 21st century skills like coding to our Vigyan Jyoti scholar girls. So before starting today's session, let's have a look at our PyCode journey through this small video.
As I always used to tell the Vigyan Jyoti girls that you are so lucky opportunity to do the PyCode session. It's a great platform for the science stream students to showcase their talent through coding and through quizzes. और PyCode का जो कोडिंग का जो आपका प्लेटफॉर्म है वो बहुत ही इजी वे में बना है. आपकी कलरफुल बॉक्सेस है, जस्ट आपको ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप करना है और आपको थोड़ा सा कॉन्सेप्ट लर्न करना है. हेलो एवरीवन, विज्ञान ज्योति में PyCode ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसमें आप कोडिंग इजी और फन में कर सकते हैं. कोडिंग में कलरफुल बॉक्स पर एक पैटर्न में अरेंज करके एक प्रोग्राम तैयार करते हैं. पहले तो मुझे कोडिंग के नाम से ही डर लगता था, लेकिन जैसे मैंने कोडिंग मैम के गाइडेंस से वीडियो को देखकर स्टार्ट किया तो मुझे उसमें मजा आने लगा. फिर मैंने कोडिंग स्टार्ट करने से पहले वीडियो को अच्छी तरह केयरफुली देखना, किस पैटर्न में अरेंज करते हैं उसे केयरफुली देखकर अपनी कोडिंग में अप्लाई करना. किस तरह से आप कोडिंग इजी और लर्निंग के साथ सीख सकते हैं. भविष्य में कोडिंग का बहुत महत्व होता है. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि अभी की दुनिया डिजिटल तेजी से चल रही है. हर जगह कंप्यूटर का उपयोग है. जैसा कि स्कूल, जॉब में हर जगह आदि जगह कंप्यूटर का उपयोग किया जा रहा है. इसमें कोडिंग एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि कोडिंग के द्वारा हम सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर, कंप्यूटर इंजीनियर, गेम सॉफ्टवेयर बना सकते हैं और IT
So we would like to thank our Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti for giving us an opportunity to get access with this PyCode learning and all. The girls are not that engaged with computer activities, but PyCode learning section gave us an opportunity to get to know about the quantum amazing worlds of computers, and it was very interesting from the beginning to the end. And now we would like to go and we would like to learn more about computer world and go for more opportunities like this, learning more deep with the PyCode and all. So thank you Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti for giving us an opportunity. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Melisha Hisam. I am from JNB Chandel, Manipur. I have learned many types of activities knowledge from this project. It is very tremendous session. The name of this session is PyCode Session. In class 9, I have learned many different types of best programming related with PyCode. By using block, I can create different types of small programs. In class 10, I have learned different types of animated programming, from which I learned a lot of knowledge. In the last, I can say that this series is going on very perfect, by which anyone could understand PyCode programming in easy way. Thank PyCode Session and Vigyan Jyoti team for giving us this opportunity to learn so many things in this sector of technology.
The focus areas of NEP 2020, Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti has been the forerunner in catching the spirit of level. And one of its focus areas is to promote 21st century skills among the children, to promote creative learning as a day-to-day part of competency for the children to imbibe diversified learning capabilities.
So it's amazing to see how far our journey has come in PyCode series. So next up, I would like to invite Mr. T. Gopalakrishna, DCRO Hyderabad and Project Coordinator Vigyan Jyoti to give us the overview of this program and enlighten us with his words. Sir,
Yeah.
please.
Very good evening to all of you. Am I audible? Steve? Am I
Yes,
audible?
sir, you're audible.
Yeah, thank you for showing such a wonderful showcasing of the journey taken so far from March to December. It was an amazing journey that was made possible for the meritorious girl students of JNVs and other schools who are part of Vigyan Jyoti. It's almost like 7,000 students have been part of this PyCode. Dear children and my teacher and my dear teachers, let me tell you, this is something like a dream coming true for this many thousands of children, especially those who are otherwise located in disadvantaged locations. Like for a Navodaya child to be at par with children of their like their counterparts in elsewhere in the world, not in our country. The entire world is into this field now because this is the future of the mankind, coding. So coding has been now considered as part of 21st century skills, and it is going to become platform for most of the things. So for that, our children have been given edge over the remaining children of their age group. So it's almost like 148 JNVs have been part of this program, Vigyan Jyoti Knowledge Centers, and 20 sessions have been conducted. By listening to Ganga Nair from Trivandrum and Melissa Isam from Chandel and girl students from Jamnagar, I am able to understand the kind of impact it has made on their way of thinking, their way of associating themselves with the external world, and their way of thinking about the framework of the subjects. And this is the objective of teaching PyCode to you. And it has really served the entire purpose. And congratulations to each one of you who has been part of this wonderful program. Vigyan Jyoti coordinators and faculty cum systems administrators of Navodayas who have been integral part of connecting the students with this program and making them effective partners in learning. You know, coding must have definitely given you a lot of insights into the modern way of learning, the modern way of documenting, the modern way of forming programs for for digitalization of anything that you want to do. So from that perspective, this particular program, PyCode, has been a wonderful initiative, and I appreciate all of you for having taken part in the program very successfully. And 20 sessions have been conducted to you. Now is the time that you march ahead. You still go forward with whatever you have learned to make your journey faster, quicker, progressive, and to compete with your counterparts and be the winner wherever you are. It has given you the background now. So you are expected to build on it, not to leave it aside, not to leave it aside. So I take this opportunity once again to thank you, all the Vigyan Jyoti coordinators, the principals of Vigyan Jyoti, JNVs, and the team at NVS headquarters and PyCode team, IBA everybody who has been facilitating this program for our Vigyan Jyoti girl students. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Gopal sir, for the encouraging words. Now moving on, this PyCode series has been a great opportunity for our girls to learn coding and step into the coding world, and most importantly, to break the stereotype that only boys can code. So to shed more light on this, I would like to invite our student who was one of the participants in the PyCode session, Ipshita Kapila from JNV Una. Hello, Ipshita.
Hello, ma'am.
So, Ipshita, we would like to hear your experience in the PyCode session. Please go ahead.
Sure, ma'am. Warm greetings and salutations to respected dignitaries, all the worthy teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Ipshita Kapila. Currently, I'm studying in class 10th in JNV Una. My journey of becoming a Vigyan Jyoti scholar was started in class 9th, which have yielded great results. Now, confabulating about PyCode sessions. So PyCode sessions were very interesting and knowledgeable as well. We have learned a lot from them. And the thing which I liked the most was the assignments basically, because for the assignments we have to do coding, and in coding we have to simulate various functions. And the concept of block coding and as well as the objective of it was merely achieved in this PyCode program. Apart from this, we have also learned artificial intelligence, machine learning, graphic designing, and this is possible because of our worthy PyCode mentors, and I am very thankful to them. Now, putting up my views on AI and coding, I would say that AI is something out of the box, and coding is the working hand of AI. And in the modern era, AI is very necessary, and so is coding. Now, concluding my words, I would say that from the whole PyCode sessions, I have learned about the present technology as well as about the opportunities in this line. At last, as a concluding word, I would like to give my vote of thanks to the whole NDS and the Vigyan Jyoti for providing us such a wonderful program which have lead to the empowerment of us. Thank you.
Thank you, Ipshita, for your wonderful words. We hope that you will continue this learning journey and will keep practicing
ma'am.
what you have learned.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. Moving on, we have another bright student with us, Kiran Chaudhary from JNV Ujjain 1. So, Kiran, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, please unmute the other devices. Mute the other devices. Okay. Go ahead, Kiran, and please share your experience with us.
Respected Deputy Commissioner, sir, all principal of different Navodayas in charge of Vidyapati. Thanks to all चल रहा पहले नवोदय विद्यालय समिति को मैं थैंक्स कहना चाहूंगी बिकॉज हमें विज्ञान ज्योति से जोड़ा, इसके जरिए हम पाइकोड सीजन से जुड़े। इसमें हमने कई सारी चीजें सीखी जो हमारे लिए बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, और इसमें हमने इसका इंट्रोडक्शन पढ़ा, ये क्या होता है, इसका यूज हम कैसे कर सकते हैं। इसमें हमने डिजाइन मेकिंग, सॉल्व कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रॉब्लम, परफॉर्म हाई लेवल कॉम्प्यूटेशन, ये सभी हमने ग्राफिक डिजाइन, मशीन लर्निंग के जरिए सीखा। इसमें और भी बहुत सारी चीजें हमको सीखने को मिली है। और साथ ही हमने अलग अलग सीजन में अलग अलग चीजें सीखी, जैसे थिंग्स अ नंबर, डिस्प्ले बिग डे, मेक अ कैलकुलेटर, क्रिएट अ स्टूडेंट डायरेक्टरी एंड एक्सेट्रा। हमें सर को थैंक्स कहना चाहूंगी। उन्होंने हमें मशीन लर्निंग के बारे में बहुत कुछ बताया और बहुत कुछ सिखाया। मैं इसमें बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्टेड हूँ और मेरे फ्रेंड्स भी हैं। हम आगे भी इससे जुड़े रहना चाहेंगे और थैंक्स टू फॉर दिस। थैंक्स।
Thank you, Kiran, for your lovely words. Yes, you will definitely be associated with this knowledge that you have gained in these sessions. So next up, we have teachers have definitely played a very important role in these sessions by regularly motivating the students and encouraging them to attend these sessions and to do hands-on activities for their learning and better understanding. So next, I would like to invite Miss Rinki, FCSA from JNV Una, to please come and share your views. So,
good afternoon to respected DC sir and all the dignitaries present here. My name is Rinki. I am from Una. I'm working as a FCSA in Una. So firstly, I would like to thank NVS for giving me opportunity to express my views on the closing ceremony of Vigyan Jyoti PyCode sessions. The PyCode sessions have been initiated by Vigyan Jyoti program, under the Vigyan Jyoti program. And under this program, the students learn about the coding and basically the block coding concept. The students take much interest in these kind of sessions because the learning was activity based. Quizzes and assignments were also there. The students learn about the basics of the coding, and they this is the basic in the digital world, that the coding skill they have learned. And for every technology there is a base that is coding, so it's a very important factor in the current era. So we can say that students are made more aware about what's going on our technology, and in the future what they can choose. They can choose various options, various employment job opportunities based on the coding. And the current of the technology like artificial intelligence, they are aware. And mostly I want to say that students get motivated from these kind of sessions. So I would like to thank PyCode sessions is arranged for our students. And like for PyCode session and for coding, I can say we will already have done in this part very much before. Like the success story I can say for this kind of session is Adam Lovelace was the first woman. She is called as a woman, programmer in the world, first programmer in the world. So we must take lessons from these kind of success stories, and must be motivated for in future. I would like to conclude my word that for the we have problem solving skills naturally in the women, so we can empower these skills for STEM education and to empower our society and our nation with these kind of skills. Thank you.
thank you so much, ma'am, for your encouraging words. Now we move on to the much awaited section of our series, that is the award ceremony. So first up, we have best school category. And for that, I'd like to invite Mr. Gopal sir to please announce the winners.
Thank you. It's my pleasure and privilege to announce the best school winners. From Bhopal region, we have JNV Ujjain and JNV Duncanhall. JNV Bathinda and JNV Una. From Hyderabad, JNV Nalgonda and JNV Hassan from Karnataka. From Jaipur region, JNV Alwar, and JNV Ajmer. And the highest weighted average from Lucknow, JNV Varanasi, and JNV Agra. From Patna region, JNV North 24 Parganas and East Singhbum. From Pune region, JNV Kolhapur and JNV Jamnagar. From Shillong, JNV Sisipur and JNV Chandel. These are a wonderful job. Maximum number of children have taken advantage. We feel very proud of it. Congratulations to each one of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for announcing the winners for us. Now, next up, we have Best Teacher announcement. And for that, I would like to invite Miss Hima Bindu Chele, Project Associate Vigyan Jyoti, to do the honors. So this is basically the sample certificate that BETS school can get. So you can announce the Best Teacher Award.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, everyone. I'm here to announce the best teachers from all 8 regions. We have Bhopal, JNV Ujjain 1, and the teacher is Mr. Charan Kumar. Chandigarh, JNV Bathinda, Mr. Ajay Kumar. Hyderabad, JNV Nalgonda, Ms. Dhanalakshmi. Jaipur, JNV Alwar, Ms. Baby Patak. Lucknow, JNV Varanasi, Mr. Prabhat Kumar. Patna, JNV North 24 Parangas, Mr. Pune, JNV Jamnagar, Ms. Pooja Chaurasia. Shillong, JNV Sisipur, Mr. Vinit Anand.
Thank you, ma'am, for announcing the winners for us. So next up category is the Best Student category. Best Student Award. So the winners are basically based on their quizzes and assignment performances. So I would like request Hima Bindu ma'am to.
From Bhopal, we have actually taken 2 students from East region. Bhopal, JNV Kabirdan, Ruby Mahila, JNV Gwalior, Princy Rathore. Chandigarh, JNV Una, Monica Rani, and JNV Patinda, Jasmit Kaur. Hyderabad region, JNV Nalgonda, Erla Kartika, and Hyderabad, and again JNV Tirunanthapuram. And I would like to hand over this to Ms. Sanjida, Project Associate Vigyan Jyoti, and she will continue.
Thank you, Hima. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much. I would like to announce the names of best students for the rest of the regions. In Jaipur region, we have from Mayor, Miss Alvira Mirza, and from JNV Alwar, Miss Rishika. Congratulations. In Lucknow region, we have from JNV Haridwar, Miss Apurva Roy, and from JNV Udham Singh Nagar, Miss Deepshika Singh. Congratulations. From Patna region, we have from JNV 24 North Parganas, Ms. Rima Banik, and from JNV East Singhbum, Ms. Ashtami Sahis. Congratulations to both of you. In Pune region, we have top 2 students from JNV Jamnagar, Ms. Shriya Hirapara, and from JNV Vadodara, Ms. Riddhi Ashok Bhai. Congratulations. From JNV, from the Shillong region, we have the top 2 students from JNV Chandel, Ms. Nengning Chong Baiti, and from JNV Tinsukia, Nijora Das. Congratulations to both of you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I now hand over the session to Mandeep.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for announcing the winners, and congratulations to all the winners in Best Student category, in Best Teachers, and Best School category. So next up is Certificate of Participation. So this will be basically given to the students who have like 50% and more participation in quizzes and attendance. So we will share these certificates with you in a few days. So congratulations once again to all the winners. So as we are coming to an end of the session, but before that, we would like to hear from our teachers and mentors who have helped our students and introduced them to the world of coding. So Akshay, Jayesh, I would like you to address the coding and please share your experience with us.
Yes, thank you, Mandeep, for this opportunity. So I'm really overwhelmed. I feel really enlightened. The kind of interest students have shown, the kind of support teachers have given to the students, and to boost up their interest towards the coding, right? So yes, as mentioned to some of the students, we are in an era where everything is governed by coding, right? From our using of mobile phones, joining this even live meeting, the computer we are using, everywhere we have got coding being involved. And we wanted to make sure that students get the opportunity, they are able to gain the skills, they are the future job creators, कि वो job ढूंढने ना जाए, दुनिया उनके पास आए job पाने के लिए. That should be the spirit with the students. And really, I'm very thankful for the kind of support the teachers and students have shown, the kind of cooperation, the interest. We saw your assignments as well, right? And we really feel great, the kind of assignments, the kind of ideas you were giving, and you were really scoring very good in the quiz and assignments as well. So really congratulations to all of you. And it's just the beginning of your journey towards coding. So we really hope that you keep learning your coding and keep increasing your skills day by day. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Akshay, for sharing your views. Okay, so everyone, with this, we come to an end of an amazing journey, but definitely not the end of learning, because Vigyan Jyoti will keep bringing more learning opportunities. So on behalf of American India Foundation team, I would like to extend my gratitude towards Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, Department of Science and Technology, and entire Vigyan Jyoti team for always thinking out of the box and presenting best of opportunities for our students. And we are grateful to be associated with such a wonderful opportunity where our efforts are helping in reducing the gender parity in STEM fields. I hope with PyCode sessions, girls have become more confident in coding and will be interested in taking up STEM fields in the future. And also heartiest thanks and congratulations to the entire team of Tinker Coders, especially Akshat and Jayesh, for conducting these sessions and helping our students learn new technical skills with great ease and confidence. So thank you all for joining this session.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Mandeep. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, students. Thank you, team Tinker Coders.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. And
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Bye.